WordPress and codebase websites are two distinct approaches to building and managing online platforms. Let's delve into each other and understand their differences. WordPress, a popular content management system, offers a user-friendly interface for website creation. With a vast library of themes and plugins, customization is accessible even for non-technical users. On the other hand, code-based websites involve manual coding and direct access to the website's source code. This method provides full control over every aspect of the website's functionality and design. While WordPress excels in user-friendliness and a vast ecosystem, code-based websites offer superior control and customization. Whether you opt for the simplicity of WordPress or the precision of a code-based approach, the key is to choose the method that aligns best with your project goals. Ultimately, the decision between WordPress and code-based websites depends on factors such as project complexity, scalability, and technical expertise. Whichever path you choose, both WordPress and code-based websites offer powerful tools to bring your online vision to life. Thank you for watching.